Hi, it's Nanette. If you're an artist and you're looking for ways to grow your income online and to grow your business, but you're just not sure how to start and how to do it, then I want to strongly recommend that you check out the Created to Thrive Artist Mentoring Program. This program absolutely changed my world. At the time when I joined in 2020, I was selling my art for $50 a piece, and the expression was quite immature and naive. And since I've been in the program, my art has just gone absolute next level. So for me personally, it taught me how to discover my unique creative voice. I've learned how to apply for art shows. I've taken part in art shows. My work has since been featured in international magazines, and it's now selling for up to $6,600 a piece instead of $50 a piece, which is phenomenal. Now, if you told me that 3-4 years ago, I would not have believed you. I would not have believed that that was at all possible for me. So the mentoring in this program is just absolutely phenomenal. The support that you get from the artists in the community is absolutely priceless. So if you are serious about your work, about the calling on your life, and you want to do your art full time, then I want to strongly encourage you to have a look at the link in the description below. At the moment, Matt is offering a $14 trial period. So for only $14, you can join the program for an entire month, get access to all the training, all the live Q&As, the biz chats, the community chats, and the community forum. And it's normally worth $97 a month. So it's just an absolute saving, and I don't know how to explain the value in this program. So I really encourage you to check it out if you want to grow and if you want to learn, and if you want to do so in a supportive community that just has your back at all times and will encourage and inspire and support you all the way. So I hope you'll check it out, and I hope I'll see you inside.